squid ring. Keep it in gear, Pete, okay?
Keep it in gear. Alright, video.
What do you want to do, buddy?
You got gas or hot dogs, or what are you going to do? Just gas?
Yeah, come back here.
You see him?
Keep going, Pete.
What is that, a big striper?
No.
You sure?
Little tuna. Yeah.
Okay, up.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to way up.
Just pull him in with the gas.
Up, down.
You might get a little more naked today.
What's that? Go forward a
Sit
little.
down, sit down.
Sit down.
Yeah, don't take it out of gear now.
Alright, I'm going to leave it in gear then, so you can tell me.
Up. Up. Down.
Oh, he's timing you. Yeah,
Oh,
just careful. Just careful.
Who's gonna get him?
He's gonna go, guys.
Alright, neutral.
Just hold on.
Hey, hang on.
Watch him behind.
He's gonna go,
Yeah, he's trying to. Alright, real.
It won't let me.
Alright, go ahead.
It
Down.
Ow!
Ready?
Just twisted my
Donnie, you
hand.
wanna put that? You wanna get this all the way?
Yeah, real.
Down.
Go forward.
Get on, Matt.
Alright, you can't reel past the swivel, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, one with me. Wanna hold down?
Can you attach this now?
Forward a little, Pete.
Can you get this off
Oh,
me?
no.
Hang
yeah,
on to
you
that,
gotta-
don't do nothing, okay?
Can you hold this up? Oh, you're doing it. Oh, good.
Want me to hold that down?
Keep going, Pete.
Yeah.
Come on, yeah,
Hey, here,
get
pull
him.
on it. Pull that up.
Get him? Is he big?
Alright!
Yeah. Becker!
Can you do this on now?
Good job.
Oh, baby!
Aha.